Shanto-Mariam University of Creative Technology is the first creative university in this region and is widely recognized as the creative destination of the nation. The university is founded by the valiant freedom fighter, prominent businessman and philanthropist, late Muhammad Imamul Kabir Shanto in 2003.
Shanto-Mariam University of Creative Technology stands out for its focus on creativity and innovation through programs like fashion design and technology, graphic design and multimedia, interior architecture, fine arts, dance, and music. With practical, industry-focused learning, advanced technology, and a commitment to cultural values, Shanto-Mariam University of Creative Technology nurtures global citizens ready to excel in creative and competitive fields. Welcome to the Department of CSE and CSIT at Shanto-Mariam University of Creative Technology, where innovation meets excellence. Our programs focus on cutting-edge technologies, software development, AI, data science, and cybersecurity. With hands-on training and expert faculty, we prepare future tech leaders to thrive in a global digital landscape. The Department of Graphic Design and Multimedia at Shanto-Mariam University of Creative Technology is a hub of creativity, innovation, and practical learning. It is dedicated to developing skilled professionals for the dynamic fields of graphic design, animation, multimedia production, and visual communication. With expert faculty and state-of-the-art facilities, we prepare future designers, animators, and multimedia professionals to thrive in the creative industry. Shanto-Mariam University of Creative Technology takes pride in its talented alumni, creative leaders, innovators, and industry pioneers. From AI and cybersecurity to software development and IT solutions, graphic designers to tech experts, animators to entrepreneurs, our graduates are making an impact worldwide.